Honda HRN Series. HRN 216 BLA.
Introducing Luba, your perimeter wire-free robot lawnmower. Setup is easy. Just walk with Luba to set hassle-free virtual boundaries. RTK allows for centimeter-level accuracy. Mow the perfect lawn faster and more efficiently. Cut more grass at once using large dual cutting plates. Luba can handle rugged terrain without getting stuck. Suspension arms improves ground gripping. In-wheel motors allow for powerful torque. Luba can climb even the steepest slopes. For large properties, mow multiple lawns, automatically traversing between different mowing zones. Using 4 ultrasonic sensors, Luba can detect obstacles in its way and automatically pass around them. Luba is built to withstand the toughest weather conditions. To avoid cutting wet grass, Luba returns home until the rain stops and continues mowing where it left off. Cleaning is a breeze. Your lawn is right at your fingertips. Choose where and when not to mow, and how you want your lawn cut. After a long day at work, Luba automatically returns home to recharge.
Battery-powered mowers are all the rage. They're quiet, clean, easy to maintain, and ready to go with the push of a button. But will they still give you a great-looking lawn? They do when you stick with the #1 lawnmower brand in America, Toro. Toro's 60-volt 21-inch steel deck push mower is engineered to Toro's same high-quality standards you've always counted on. Same durable steel deck, same superior construction, same patented recycler cutting system that gives you that beautiful, healthy-looking lawn. The big difference is what's under the hood. A powerful 60-volt brushless DC motor that's packed with performance and innovation. This is no ordinary battery system. It's got Toro's intuitive Run Smart speed control built right in, which automatically adjusts the speed of the motor for maximum performance and runtime. So with this 4-amp-hour battery, you can easily cut a quarter-acre lot in 35 minutes on a single charge. And to make life even easier, this battery works with the full line of Toro's 60-volt products to keep your place looking great all year long. And because it's a Toro, you know you can rely on it for years to come. Easy to start, easy to use, easy to stow, easy to maintain. This is the power of easy. This is the Toro 60-volt 21-inch steel deck recycler.
generation of Honda self-propelled HRX lawnmowers, including our top-of-the-line HRX 217 HZA model. Loaded with all the innovative features you'd expect from Honda's best, like electric start for self-charging, effortless key start, hydrostatic cruise control for simple, adjustable, precise speed control, and roto stop, which conveniently stops the blades without stopping the engine, so you can easily empty the grass bag or move toys and lawn debris. All HRX models are now equipped with Honda's all-new easy-starting GCB 200 engine that packs 10% more power and torque for superior mowing and improved performance in thick grass. Our rugged, rust-proof, dent-proof Nexite deck, backed by a lifetime limited warranty. Micro-cut twin blades with 4 cutting surfaces for outstanding cut quality, mulching, and bagging. The 4-in-1 Versamo system with clip director for quick and easy switches between bagging, mulching, discharge, and leaf shredding. And so much more. Choose the top of the line that truly shines. The Honda HRX 217 HZA lawnmower. More power for a more